Will public-private partnerships reshape the future of urban mobility? Actually, we think so. So what we like to talk about in this category is the basic understanding. We all can agree government cannot fund everything. And certainly in the area of transportation, infrastructure, these are become absolutely prohibitive cost. You could pick any city, any government, anywhere, and depending on their years of development and population growth, you can guarantee there is absolutely no way the government can fix the potholes, straighten the curbs, fix the lights, and improve traffic mobility by fixing the stoplights. It's just not possible. So how does the private sector join the public sector in helping reshape urban mobility? We're already seeing it today when we talk about the 4 categories of the future of mobility: shared mobility, electric mobility, autonomous mobility, and certainly aerial mobility. The fun part for personal rapid transit systems is that of all of those categories, personal rapid transit is not only the newest, but it is also the most flexible when it comes to helping to partner with public and private agencies and partnerships. The reason that personal rapid transit is so interesting is because, first of all, the problems that every urban center faces is around traffic congestion. Traffic congestion is proximately caused by the more than 80% single occupant vehicles on roads. So if it's a single occupant vehicle problem, how about another innovative solution around a single occupant pod solution? The second thing, and you actually see it in one of our journey slides, is that because it's a single occupant vehicle problem, and we see how the public transport agencies are building subways, boring holes, loops, or different versions of on-ground terra firma mobility options, whether they're trains, light rails, sometimes monorails. And then you also have the variety of shared and electric options that are out there, and certainly increasingly being governed by federal agencies. So all of those are places that currently exist. Now, how do we get the private sector personal rapid transit system introduced into the multimodal, multi-layered future of mobility? Principally because if there's a single occupant vehicle problem and a single pod or vehicle solution, you're now looking at a dramatically lower cost to introduce these into the urban mobility system, where a public agency may end with a boring hole or a subway or a light rail. When people get off or exit any of those mobility options, they're always going to say, well, now what? Well, now it's a bus. Well, I'm still stuck in traffic. People don't like buses like they used to. Or within certain cultures and countries, buses are normal, but they're overcrowded. And so all of these are inviting ways to have the private sector join the public agencies in redefining the future of urban mobility. So because the cost is low, because there's a focus on people-centered solutions, there's a gap that is being filled by private sector and specifically closed-loop systems around personal rapid transit.